The Sony Bravia KD43X64L is a 43-inch 4K Ultra HD Smart LED Google TV that stands out as an excellent choice for those looking for a premium television experience in a mid-sized screen. With its combination of advanced picture processing, smart features, and robust build quality, it offers a well-rounded package for both entertainment and everyday use. Design and build quality. It features a sleek, minimalistic design that integrates well into most modern living spaces. The TV is designed with a narrow bezel, providing a more immersive viewing experience. Its build quality is solid, reflecting Sony's commitment to durability and longevity. The TV also comes with X Protection Pro, which enhances its resilience against dust, humidity, power surges, and lightning, making it a reliable option for long-term use. Picture quality. One of the standout features of the KD43X64L is its picture quality. Equipped with Sony's 4K processor X1, the TV delivers sharp, detailed images with vibrant colors. Even lower resolution content is upscaled close to 4K quality, thanks to the 4K X Reality Pro technology, ensuring that all your content looks its best. The TV also supports high dynamic range, HDR, which enhances the contrast and color range, making scenes look more realistic and engaging. Motion handling is another area where the KD43X64L excels. With Motion Flow XR technology, the TV smoothens fast-moving scenes, reducing blur and ensuring that action-packed sequences remain clear and fluid. This makes it an excellent choice for watching sports, action movies, or playing fast-paced video games. Sound quality. In terms of audio, the KD43X64L is equipped with Clear-Phase technology, which fine-tunes the sound output to ensure clarity and balance. The result is natural, lifelike audio that complements the high-quality visuals. Dolby Audio support further enhances the sound experience, providing a more immersive and cinematic feel. While the built-in speakers are sufficient for everyday viewing, pairing the TV with a soundbar or external speaker system would elevate the audio experience, particularly for home theater setups. Smart features and usability. As a Google TV, the KD43X64L offers a wide range of smart features that make it a versatile entertainment hub. The interface is intuitive, allowing easy access to a vast library of apps, including popular streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney Plus Hotstar. The integration of Google Assistant enables voice control, making it easier to search for content, control smart home devices, and navigate the TV's features without needing to use the remote. The TV also supports Chromecast, allowing you to cast content from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop directly to the big screen. Connectivity and ports. The KD43X64L offers a variety of connectivity options, including 3 HDMI ports and 1 USB port, allowing you to connect multiple devices such as gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, or external storage drives. The HDMI ports support high-speed data transfer, ensuring that your devices perform at their best when connected to the TV. Energy efficiency. Sony has also incorporated several energy-saving features into the KD43X64L. Dynamic backlight control adjusts the display brightness based on the content being viewed, reducing power consumption without compromising picture quality. The TV also includes a power-saving mode and display off mode, which allow you to enjoy audio content while turning off the display, further conserving energy. Price and value for money. It is particularly well-suited for those who want a high-quality viewing experience without stepping up to the more expensive models in Sony's lineup.